Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Authenticator app for Discord. So first of all, we have to go to the settings in the bottom. As you can see in my account, you have to scroll down and you will see the option of enable Authenticator app. If you click it, you have to provide a password. After giving your password here, you have to go to the mobile and select the Authenticator app there. Now as you can see in my right screen, my phone is there, just getting into the Authenticator app. So after that you have to press add a code and then tap on scan QR code, then place the camera on QR code Discord, which is in the PC. Then you have to put the Discord code in the bottom, as you can see 796, and that's it. Your Authenticator app is activated in your Discord account. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.